Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to install the SUUNTO sports applications on this watch. If you want to install the sports apps on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the SUUNTO application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the SUUNTO application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, tap on the device icon right here in the top left corner to open the device page, and on it you should see your SUUNTO Vertical 2. Now tap on SUUNTO Store, scroll through the different categories and look for something you want to install. For example, let's say I want to install, actually let me open the sports apps right here and look for something here. Maybe strength exercises, and we can tap on install on watch. As you can see, it will be installed next sync, and the watch already is syncing, but if it's not, you can go back to the main page of device page, basically tap on sync now, wait until it's done syncing, and after that you can go to the My SUUNTO Plus sports apps and tap on it, and here you should see the apps you installed, and here we have it, the strength exercises. If it says uninstall next to it, it means that the application is installed. And now to access it, you basically need to start the workout on your watch. So let's open the workout menu and start some workout. For example, let's say unspecified sport. Press start. Oh no, before you press start, my bad. Before you press start, you can scroll down, and here we have this category called SUUNTO Plus, and you can tap on it, and here you have the list of applications you installed, and you can enable them for the workout. So for example, burner, and we installed these strength exercises, so we can enable it. And once you're done, you can go back, then start the workout. And now if you go through the different pages of the workout, you should see the burner and also strength exercises. And if you open the strength exercises, you can press start right here, and now we have the basically sets, and we can go. For some reason it's not doing anything. Do we need to press something? Let's see. Burner is going, but strength is not doing anything, so I'm not sure how to use it. Probably it says in the description of the app, so if you open the app, show more, yeah, here we have how to use it rather. So basically, before you use it, you need to open this page with the apps, tap on the app you want to use, and for example, this one has the you can basically select exercises right here. So if we go back, close the workout, come on, stop it. Go back, then press this, stop the workout, discard it, okay, and wait until it's done, okay. And now that the watch is not busy anymore, we can edit the exercise list. So let's add some exercises. Okay. And now when we sync the watch with our phone, it should update the settings. And now if you start the workout again, add the strength training. Oh, strength exercise is already selected. And then we can start the sport. Go to start, and now go to the strength exercises, press start. Now we have different sets, so you need to configure it before you start using it. Some of the apps are actually okay. And now we can go back to the main page, stop it, discard it. Alright, that touchscreen doesn't work here. Okay, and basically that's how you install the sports applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.